Shout out to Roy Riley and Tiago Rossi. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm very excited to do this video today because I get to showcase this beautiful new mould that I got from Windi. Beautiful, from Soybean. Obviously, as usual, the link will be available in the description to his shop. This is 63 centimeters long. Whoops, 63 centimeters long, 6.5 wide and 9 high. So that's the dimensions of the actual silicone, internal dimensions. Really, really great. I'm cutting the bars today at 2.2 centimeters. So I'll get 28 bars from these, which is great. And I already did a live actually in the Facebook group, so if you're not in the Facebook group, I highly suggest you go ahead and join. That link to that is also available in the description. And these clips are really cool too. Windi also sells those clips, especially with these long molds. They need clips to hold them up, just so when you're pouring, you don't spill everywhere, and then once it's fully poured, you just take them off, and it's totally fine. Right, so today I'll be making some private label soaps, and I'll be testing a fragrance oil from Aroma. It's called Fig, just plain old fig, and it smells really, really good. The recipe for the oils are down in the description below. It's a combination of, I was going to say rice bran, and it's not rice bran. Combination of palm oil, soybean, olive, castor, and coconut. I just had to think about that for a second, like, hang on, what's this recipe? I've got so many different recipes, and especially with private labels, so many things to consider and remember, and sometimes it gets a little hard to remember everything. Right, so this is just the lye water here, 30% water to oil ratio with 1% sodium lactate. And in the pot here, of course, the oils that I mentioned before, and I've got some sugar syrup in here as well, which is great. I already added the 1% sodium lactate in there. So that's 30% water to oil, and I'll be doing, obviously, as fragrance mentioned, fig right here. Smells beautiful. I don't know how this is going to behave, so we're going to be taking a risk together. I'm going to bring you along. Oh my gosh. So there's just going to be 2 color split. I don't want to do anything more than that, like maybe 3 color, because I'm not sure how this is going to behave. So it's just a bit of white clay with olive green mica from Aussie Candle Supplies, and just a bit of white Australian clay for the other half. So it's going to be not exactly equal split, it's going to be 70-30. So put those aside now. And I just wanted to also let everyone know that actually a lot of the oils in here are from Heirloom Body Care over in Penrith, and I now actually have an affiliate program, an ongoing affiliate program with Heirloom Body Care now. You can save yourself 5% when you use the code DAWN5, and also the link will be available and the code will be available down in the description as well. And that's an ongoing thing, so even if you are a regular customer of Heirloom, if you spend $75 or more, definitely use the code. You earn yourself 5% off. And of course, I earn a small percentage as well, commission, from the sales that people use my code for. So it's a great way to support the channel, and of course, great way to support the lovely Kerry from Heirloom Body Care. And of course, they just recently, I think in the last couple of months, introduced a rewards program too. So not only will you be saving with the code, but you'll be building up points as well to actually save off future shops. So definitely head on over to Heirloom Body Care and grab yourself some much needed supplies, as we all do, us soapaholics. So I'm just going to combine everything together, and everything's at the appropriate temperature. Once again, I don't know how everything is going to turn out because it is a fragrance oil I haven't used before, and Aroma just changed their website as well, which is fine, but also not fine because all the reviews on fragrance oils disappeared, so I'm not sure if this behaves itself or not, but that's okay, we'll find out together. And because it's such a long mold, you'll see when I actually cut the soap later that Vinny actually made me an extender to go alongside the soap cutter, so the actual big log will fit down. So he sells those two plus the clips, as I mentioned earlier. So you'll see that later on in the video. I don't have enough room on my table at the moment to pull everything out. So everything's at the appropriate temperature. I'm going to add everything together, and we're going to soap, and let's fingers crossed that everything turns out as intended. And if not, that's okay. I'm used to working on my feet. So I'm going to stop yakking, and I'm going to go ahead and make some fig soap in my beautiful new extra long loaf mold from Soap Cutter AU. So let's go.